If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and so first to the wow, that was crazy. So first to the face, I hear the voice, you don't know, say a kogency. But the kogency react, and today, we have Bandokay, OFB with G-Lock. And when I click on the video, it played the first 1 second, and I heard that. Sound like, fam, I just want to jump into this, bro, because that sample got me hype already. I don't want to waste any time. I keep saying road to 2K, man. We hit 2K yesterday, boys, so thank you. To everybody who subscribed, a round of applause for you. You know what I'm saying? So keep liking, keep commenting, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Because now we're on the road to 3K. You know what I'm saying? We're doing it step by step. We're not going to try to bite off more than we can chew and try to go for 5K off rip. You know what I'm saying? Road to 3K. So if you're seeing this and you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And for people who've been watching and want further, help the channel, I'm going to leave my CASHAPP in the description. So if you want to help out Triggs, want to help out OG Bobby Brown, or help out kogency, you know what I'm saying, just send a little thing. You know what I'm saying? But you don't have to if you don't want to. Just for the people that want to. Okay, I know there's probably somebody out there that might want to give Triggs a little help. You know what I mean? But you don't know. Let's jump into this. I don't want to waste any time. Yeah. Why the man walk up like that, bro? Man say rise the G-Lo, what you spit? Bite. Rise the G-Lo, in your strip. Bite. Yo, look at that boss, bro. No, fam, that's scary. Bite. Rise the G-Lo when we're sliding. Then rise the G-Lo, check the mileage. 100 hot, girl on the piping. 100 hot, cool, no one knifing. Got the magnum and turn off the lightning. I like brown, have trouble with light skins. You are like 4 longs, ain't fighting. Only but wet, that turn certain. You have a hot top moving car where you're cruising. Hey, sweet one. Hey, she's body but wet, that turn certain. You have a hot top moving car where you're cruising. Can't quit, try on sight him. Bust a champagne, cause we shining. Ray and nephew, demon timing. I love a bad bitch, she love a bad man. I'm driving her fast, she's screaming gang. She's like the G-Lock, she loves a bang. My bro's a madman, he loves a stab man. Hop in the black van, jump out and slap man. He try to be Batman, I got his back slam. But death for whack man, I saw them crash gang. I hate the talking, what's all the west man? Yo, we came to the talk. Oh man, bro. Whew. Bandokay, I don't know what went on in the studio this day, bro, but this need for go on every day, bro. I'm pulling up the entire song. Look at Axe, bro. Axe is hype, fam. Axe feel like me right now. Hype. You know what I'm saying? This song is sick. Rise the G-Lock when we're sliding. Then rise the G-Lock in your strip. Bite. Rise the G-Lock when we're sliding. Then rise the G-Lock, check the mileage. 100 hot, girl on the piping. 100 hot, cool, no one knifing. Got the magnum and turn off the lightning. I like brown, have trouble with light skins. You are like 4 longs, ain't fighting. Body but wet, that turn certain. You have a hot top moving car where you're cruising. Can't quit, try on sight him. Bust a champagne, cause we shining. Ray and nephew, demon timing. She love a bad man, I'm driving her fast, she's screaming gang. She's like the G-Lock, she loves a bang. My bro's a madman, he loves a stab man. Hop in the black van, jump out and slap man. He try to be Batman, I got his back slam. But death for whack man, I saw them crash gang. I hate the talking, what's all the west man? Yo, we came to talk it out. Yo, there ain't nothing to talk about. Hop in the rider, ring it off bit, or make my YG gon' sauce that down. He got caught tryna run in the booth, bro, lay off straight tryna sauce that clown. OB with a talk of the town. Walk out, walk, so walk on my crown. Rise the G-Lock, watch you spit. Bite. Rise the G-Lock in your strip. Bite. Rise the G-Lock when we're sliding then. Rise the G-Lock, check the mileage. What next? 100 hot, girl on the piping. 100 hot, cool, no one knifing. 4, 5, 3, 2s, 1 bag. Got holy pursuits for the ops them. And if you can't get hold of them 3 burners, then we gotta run for the dots then. But he got splashed, they don't make cash. My bro jumped out and just shot them. Dog. Who said got bun out his clothes? Dama from ZT. Got bun out his clothes and got bun out his clothes. These men are getting bun out their clothes, bro. Look at this. You gotta run for the dots then. Smoke come from the car, right? And then they got the smoke. Man got bun out his clothes, fam. clothes ain't there no. I mean, he's not there no more, bro. It's just the clothes. And the sweet ones in this video are nice. Though. Well done on the sweet ones, man. Though I gotta say, well done on the sweet one.
Rise the G-Lock when we're sliding. Then rise the G-Lock, check the mileage. 100 hot, get one the piping. 100 hot, cool, no one knifing. 4, 4, 4, 5, 3, 2s, 1 bag. Got holy pursuits for the ops then. Yo, and if you can't get hold of them 3 burners, then we gotta run for the dots then. But he got splashed, they don't make cash. My bro jumped out and just shot them. Repost to you, hyper, swingies and knife. I spin it up, block and clock them. Yo, says she love gunman from the O. Says she love gunman in the home. This phone don't ain't got no tins, but we got 2 sticks, bum man in the right. Boogie B got bird, and I'm pissed at his verdict. Probably bum man on his own. He's just up 100, then the next 100, then the next 100 from a home. I can't see 100 kids.
I have to pause on that sweet one, bro.
He's just up 100, then the next 100, then the next 100.
It's just for the video, you know, bro. You know what I'm saying? In real life, I probably wouldn't, you know what I'm saying, want. But it's just for the, like, Jesus. Even the kiss mark tattoo on there. Woo!
From a home, I can't see 100 kids giving verbal. Shut the fuck up, buy a flag in that purple. Kids zip up your mouth, I'll come to your collie or slap you.
Whoa. What's about purple?
Kids giving verbal. Shut the fuck up, buy a flag in that purple. Kids zip.
Wow. Alright, fam. Well, the beef is frying right now, you know, bro. So I can't say anything. The beef is fried.
100 from a home, I can't see 100 kids giving verbal. Shut the fuck up, buy a flag in that purple. Kids zip up your mouth, I'll come to your collie or slide to your block and circle. Leave man flat on the floor like he's shut off the range. Rip off his off-white from Virgil. Yo, 38 stuff, getting right up close. Got slammed by my ninja title. Rise the G.
What?
I'll come to your collie or slide to your block and circle. Leave man flat on the floor like he's shut off the range. Rip off his off-white from Virgil. Yo, 38 stuff, nose getting right up close. Got slammed by my ninja title. Rise the G-Lock, watch your spit. Bite. Rise the G-Lock in your strip. Bite. Rise the G-Lock when we're sliding.
Then
Rise the G-Lock, check the mileage.
What next?
100 hot, get one the piping. 100 hot, cool, no one knifing.
Wait. Why is the coffin in the back? Why are the man them running? Alright, man. Hey, listen. No requests. 1, 2 big breasts. I said, yo, no requests. I don't know what no requests is, but if they were responsible for this video, big up no requests, because this video was sick. Shut the fuck up. Boy, flagging out purple. Hey, leave me alone. I'm not involved. But yo, Bandokay with G-Lock. The sample and the beat, dog, was mad. And Bandokay came in with some flows today. So I'm fucking with this. You know what I'm saying? But you don't know. Let me know what you think about this. Let me know you rate it in the comments. If you rate it, what you want me react to next. And also, road to 3K. So please hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Jump in the comments. And if you want to help out the channel even further, my CASHAPP will be in the description. So anybody who want to make any donations, you can do so. Kogency and the Kogency Reacts channel. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Yes.
Slip the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get roll